guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today I'm taking you to this amazing hotel which is pretty much good and it has got a view of this museum of future. So right now I'm in my room. I've been preparing this visit for quite a long time, and so now here's a chance I can also show you. I'll be going through the hotel, through the lobby and everything. I'll show you all the kind of rooms that they have. It's a pretty much interesting hotel which has got like a modern feel to it, with some old heritage elements within the room which are pretty interesting, and they do have a very cool program which runs over there. Why am I telling you this right now? Let's actually go to the hotel and find it out right by yourself. So I'm gonna be taking you directly to the lobby itself, directly to the hotel. I don't wanna waste your time by showing traveling. Before that, let me show you what I'm talking about right now. You know, my room, it has got a pretty good huge view. So if you see right across behind me, I don't know if you guys can see behind me, that's the Museum of Future over there. But so this is like a side view of it. So let's just hit the ground. So here we are entering the lobby, and just to give you a gist, the 25-hour hotel is not just, you know, having luxurious life, but this extra hour is just about having more time, but also enjoying and vibing and celebrating with your peers, with your friends and everything. Be it the splashing around the poolside, or you can just go up to the rooftop and enjoy the view of the Museum of Future from there, from their bar itself. A program that I was talking about is called the Our Soul on Sale. The things shop in the lobby invites you to browse and marvel at the countless times. At any time of the day, if ever you want, you can come down over here, and these little things, if you have a little more time to spend here, you can discover a lovely curated, mostly local selection of books and magazines, as well as useful knickknacks and beautiful items that are perfect to take home as a local souvenir from your trip to Dubai. All you have to do is bring your old stuff, and definitely you can do an exchange at these places. As you can see, these items which are pretty much good as a showpiece in the house. Well, talking about the lobby, it is one of a hell of an experience how the ancient tradition of the Bedouin are brought back to the modern life. What exactly is the Bedouin? The Bedouin, or the Bedu, are nomadic Arabic tribes who have historically inhabited the desert regions in the Arabian Peninsula, North Africa, and the Levant and Mesopotamia. Four kind of categories of rooms, which are the medium Bedouin, the large Bedouin, artistic village suite, and farm stay suite, which I'm just going to be showing you right now. Here is the medium Bedouin, which was an influence of when Bedouins once resided in Dubai, featuring king-size beds and a unique rainfall shower in the middle of the room, which is eventually the bathroom itself. Here is the large glamping suite, which is inspired by urban nomads. The glamping rooms are perfect for couples or special occasion visiting to the city, including a rainwater shower. Again, every room has it, and a roll-top bath in select rooms. These rooms are fitted out with cool, playful design elements, including analog telephone. Next up is the farm stay suite. The farm stay suites are ideal for those who enjoy a little more space. The creative rooms feature a double rainfall shower and a hammock. Wow, which is amazing, providing the perfect relaxing oasis for a long day in Dubai itself, in the screeching hot Dubai. Next up is the village suite. This is one of my favorite, my personal favorite. When I walked into the room, I was really surprised how the room has been designed. For those who are looking to impress, the extra large artist village suites are a generous 72 square meters in size, located between the 4th and the 8th floor. After a long day exploring the city, these rooms are the perfect retreat. They are ideal for your romantic weekend away and or for the special occasion. Well, I guess I missed out on one of the categories of the room, which is the Hawaiian suite, and unfortunately I wasn't able to go to that room and check that out. I believe if I get a chance, to go next time, I'll definitely go up to the hotel. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys, how did you like the video, and if you like the hotel as well, and you like the room as well, and which category of the room would you prefer for your next Dubai trip. So thank you so much, and I think it's time for me to go now, and so that I can get you another video, another hotel, which is probably gonna be some unique one. And do subscribe to the channel so I can get you more videos about Dubai and how you can plan your travel and everything of the sort. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.